Pocket. What have you got in your pockets? Purse. Oh dear. I think I've lost my purse.
Raincoat. There are boots, a raincoat, and an umbrella in the hallway.
Ring. She accidentally dropped her ring down a drain in the road.
Scarf. He had a woolen scarf around his neck.
Socks. The little boy was wearing odd socks. Shirt. Her shirt was untucked.
Shoes. I bought these shoes because they were on sale.
Shorts. She put on a pair of shorts and a t-shirt.
Skirt. She wore a denim skirt and a white shirt.
Suit. He was dressed in a dark grey suit.
Sunglasses. Wear sunglasses to protect your eyes.
Sweater. This sweater cost me £30.
Swimsuit. The girl's swimsuit is full of sand.
Tie. He always wears a suit and tie to work.
Tights. She bought a new pair of tights.
Trainers. Please wear trainers in the gym.
Trousers. Please wear trainers in the gym.
Try on. Why don't you try on this pair of shoes? They're at a discount.
T-shirt. That t-shirt is worn out.
Umbrella. I left my umbrella on the bus yesterday.
Uniform. School uniforms are needed in most schools.
Wallet. There was some money in his wallet.
Watch. I didn't notice that my watch has stopped working.